Hello, everybody. Welcome to our market report. My name is Christian Charlo. Today we're Friday, August 31st. Today, folks, I want to talk to you about a movement that there is in gold and silver stocks, only on comments by Ben Bernanke at Jackson Hole, saying that he's open to make another round of quantitative easing. But he didn't give any date, he didn't specify anything. So investors are speculating that Ben Bernanke is going to adopt a new round of stimulus measures. But a lot also will depend on what next Thursday Mario Draghi does, because he was supposed to lay out a plan to be able to know how the ECB is going to solve the euro debt crisis. So far, we expect Mario Draghi to say under which condition the ECB will intervene into the markets to be able to be buying bonds of countries with high interest rate to be able to put some pressure on the downside on those bond yields. So far today, the move is to trade the gold stocks. First of all, let's look at the gold spot price. Look at here. This is the yearly chart of the gold. Today, it is a clear breakout for the gold sector. So let's take a look at this on a yearly basis. First of all, this breakout here, it is totally reversing the downward trend that begun at the height of 2011. Also, we can consider this, well, this is a bottom, and every time the gold sector tested at bottom, it rebounded. Right now, we could consider this as where we should expect a pause in the gold spot price. So around 169. So there's still some ride to be made for the gold spot price. So GLL will be ETF to play to be able to make some money and to benefit from the GLD increase. Silver also is making another high. Look at the silver. It's reversing totally its downward trend on the yearly basis. And today it is a clear breakout by reversing its downward trend and also breaking its sideways formation. So which are the stocks that are in a breakout today? Nice stocks. First of all, Franco-Nevada. Nice resistance that has been broke through. It's a nice one. Silvercrest Mines in the silver. Correction. Stabilize. It's getting back up again and the volumes are increasing. Eldorado Gold, it's a nice one, but not yet in a breakout because Eldorado Gold, well, it's breaking its sideways formation. But look at this. Let's consider this is more the sideways formation. And if we look at this, what's good about Eldorado Gold on the yearly basis is that, first of all, it reversed its important downward trend. Made a ride, now it is stabilizing. So if ever the momentum of the gold spot price continues, Eldorado Gold will be the stock to get in at 1339 on Eldorado Gold. So there's some potential on that stock. And if we consider this upward corridor, we could get here until we reach 1437 on Eldorado Gold. So 10% for that stock. Kirkland Lake Gold also, nice one, because look, this is a downward trend. Right now what's good is that it is making a sideways formation. So if ever it breaks that sideways formation at 1398, potential 1564, so 10% on Kirkland Lake Gold. Osisco Mining, same scenario. This is an important downward trend on a yearly basis. If ever it goes higher than 1001, that's a go. Take some profits at around $11 here on Osisco Mining, which is a downward trend. So 10% potential. So yes, there are some stocks that today are starting a bullish cycle. Some stocks that are in a sideways formation like Osisco Mining, Kirkland Lake Gold, and Eldorado Gold, which could be potential breakout to be able to make some money. Here, that's where you should take some profits in Eldorado Gold if ever it breaks that resistance here at 1311. So the gold is bullish, but you have to put your stop loss on the gold because it's all about speculation. If Mario Draghi deceived investors on next Thursday, this momentum will totally fade away. So that's why you have to protect yourself. Yes, you can get in on some stocks, but I would recommend to highly open half of the positions on stocks that are already starting a breakout. Those include Franco-Nevada, Silvercrest Mines, Eldorado Gold. Their ticker are all here, TSX Venture and TSX. And like Kirkland Lake Gold or Cisco Mining are stocks that you should watch for potential breakout if ever the gold momentum takes more strength. I also want to bring to your attention that there's a stock here on the gold sector which is really performing so well. It is Royal Gold on the NASDAQ, RGLD. That stock really is performing like a bull. Look at that. Nice upward trend ever since 2012. Really, it's like this stock is immune with all the gold volatility that we had. So really, I would not get in now in Royal Gold, but look, I would maybe wait to see if ever Royal Gold can just lose some momentum. Let's say the ECB, Mario Draghi, doesn't come up with some good solutions, he deceives markets. Well, Royal Gold maybe should have a correction. If ever I see Royal Gold reach 79.41, if ever I see the stochastics being oversold and starting to leave the oversold situation, definitely I will get in Royal Gold, because this is a nice performing stock, and this stock really has performed pretty well ever since the month of May as compared to the gold spot price, which performed, yes, but compared to Royal Gold, that's a better performance. So that's it, folks. Markets are closing next Monday, but see you next week for our next market report. And don't forget that the more money you make, the happier we are. See you next week. To learn more about us, go to decisionplus.com on the section free trial to try marketguru.tv.